You little bitch.
He has closed all of theirs.
I don't think there's a better time for us to run across this field. What do you guys think?
Run? What are you primitive Neanderthals doing running? We've got all this technology.
You guys make a lot of noise.
Guys, we're going back a few
Did you not
years.
shoot the bike's fucking tires out or something? Yeah, man, nice fucking aim, dude. Holy shit.
He's going out.
Oh, that shit's about to blow. One hit from a tree, he's done.
Primitive monkeys still walking.
Uh-huh.
I don't think you want to come. This is a death trap.
Absolutely not.
What the fuck are you doing?
I'm not going there with that.
Oh wait, oops.
I mean, if someone in a window sees you, they know they don't.
I mean, this might be a mistake on your part, Sebastian, but
It's all good. Try hit as many big jumps as possible.
oh, that's the goal. That's the goal, my friend.
And like a GTA 5.
Sean, I think you need to get in the car.
Yep.
Stunt jump failed.
Oh my god, I hear a car. I hear a car.
It's definitely not me or Sebastian.
No, I hear a car. I hear a car.
Ooh boy.
This cell right here.
Look for me.
Ooh boy.
Can't you do backflips in the
Please,
fucking
Daddy.
now?
I mean,
I'm just hotboxing it.
you're just kind of at the whim of whatever the game wants you
No,
to
but
do.
isn't that like a button you press or something?
Not that I'm aware of. I just kind of let the game do what it wants when I hit a jump.
I know. If
Yeah,
we
no, right there,
crash,
perfect jump right there. Up there.
I don't know what you're looking at, but I'm going towards these
There's
trees.
people right ahead of us, probably.
Yeah, keep going on the mountain. Yeah, go all the way to the top.
people were. Where's your backpack?
Oh, fuck, there's a car here.
Yeah, I told you this.
Backpack.
Right in front of us.
Oh!
Oh, right beside him.
Oh, that's a rock!
Oh my god!
What do you think?
Oh my god!
You can blame
Luke.
Kimon for damaging my precious motorcycle.
Luke.
Oh, we literally just blew the fuck up. That's basically